NF Audio has teamed up with the Assassin's Creed series for their latest gaming IEMs, inspired by Assassin's Creed Mirage. But does this partnership go beyond mere marketing, and can the RG15 stand out as a truly excellent pair of gaming IEMs? Let's find out. Included in the package you'll find the RG15 IEMs, a USB-C cable with 2-pin connectors, ear tips in sizes XS, S, M and L, and a carry pouch featuring the Assassin's Creed logo. The RG15 comes equipped with dual capacity dynamic drivers. However, the standout feature of the RG15 is its MEMS microphone. Unlike most gaming earbuds that utilize remote microphones for voice communication, the RG15 offers enhanced clarity through this particular design. When connected directly to my laptop, the RG15 delivered impressive output levels, akin to having a quality DAC amp without needing an additional adapter. Nonetheless, including a 3.5mm cable would have been a welcome addition. The RG15 capitalizes on the Assassin's Creed branding to influence its design. The gold-plated casing, intricate patterns and emblem are visually striking and thematically aligned with the Mirage setting. Despite its lavish appearance, the housing is notably compact, ensuring comfort for prolonged wear. However, the weight can cause them to shift slightly if the ear tips are not the right size. High frequencies in the RG15 are well represented, adding essential artifacts to instruments and effects without being harsh. There is a touch of accented brightness in the mid-treble, which, while not overly harsh, can be slightly jarring with sharp sound effects like sword slashes or certain dialogue tones. Generally though, the highs are smooth with occasional instances of gentle sparkle. The mid-range is where the RG15 truly shines, with detailed and forward frequencies. This prominence ensures that busy sound elements stand out, preventing any audio from being overshadowed. This forward mid-range benefits the RG15 by enriching the timbre of note impacts, expressive sound effects and commanding vocal performances. In gaming, this results in clear, punctuated audio, particularly with footsteps and dialogue. The RG15's bass is unexpectedly restrained for gaming IEMs. It lacks the textured and full-bodied bass response typical of other gaming earbuds, which may be disappointing to some. Nonetheless, the bass present is significant enough to subtly enhance the overall sound signature. Certain sub-bass frequencies provide a robust foundation for FX, offering a clean separation that benefits gameplay. While the RG15 delivers some enjoyable low-end rumble, it may not match the thickness expected from gaming IEMs. A wide soundstage is essential for gaming IEMs to accurately interpret the myriad audio elements in a game, such as dialogue, sound effects and music. The RG15 excels in this area, offering an expansive and deep auditory experience. When engaging with both games and music, the soundscape assumes an elongated oval shape, brought from left to right with ample space to give each sound a distinct presence in the mix. This subtle layering allows instruments, effects and voices to align seamlessly above a nearly flat plane, creating a linear sound field, while the directionality and specific sound angles remain largely accurate. The RG15 does have a few drawbacks. Its bass response is somewhat limited, lacking the textured and full-body depth that some gamers might expect. Additionally, there's noticeable sibilance in the mid-treble range, which can make certain vocal tones and sharp sound effects slightly harsh. Another downside is the absence of an optional 3.5mm cable, which could be a useful addition for those seeking versatile connectivity options. Despite these issues, the RG15 offers numerous advantages. Its soundstage is impressively wide and deep, providing a rich and immersive audio experience that enhances both gaming and music listening. The mids are detailed and pronounced, ensuring that complex sound elements stand out clearly. The highs are expressive and generally smooth, contributing to a well-rounded sound signature. The metal shell design is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also durable. The built-in DAC elevates the audio output quality, making external amplifiers unnecessary. Additionally, the MEMS microphone delivers exceptional clarity, making in-game communication and voice chat crisp and clear. In conclusion, the NF Audio RG15 gaming IEMs offer a blend of aesthetic appeal and functional excellence. While the limited bass response and mid-treble sibilance may be minor drawbacks, the impressive soundstates, detailed mids and expressive highs more than compensate. The durable metal shell, built-in DAC and high-quality MEMS microphone further enhance its appeal, making the RG15 a compelling choice for gamers seeking both style and superior audio performance. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave it a thumbs up and see you in the next one. Bye!